Spanish vocabulary from 443 to 469. La formación, training, la frase, the phrase, the sentence, fundar, to set up, to establish, grabar, to record, el guía, la guía, the guide for a person or for a book, el horario, the timetable, la huelga, the strike, meaning to be on strike, el idioma, the language, la igualdad, equality, el impuesto, the tax, el instituto. It means institute, but also secondary school. El jefe, la jefe, the boss, the manager.